In the realm of natural remedies and superfoods, one gem that has been making waves for its remarkable health benefits is Tukh Malanga, also known as Basil Seeds. These small, unassuming seeds have been used for centuries in traditional